Hello folks, today Carolyn's outside there cutting some comfrey leaves. She's going to cut us some for us to make some salve out of, and then also she's going to cut some to dry where we'll have through the winter if we need more salve or whatever else we need them for. We'll be showing you that just in a little bit. Now let's watch Carolyn cut some of these leaves and we'll go from there. Okay folks, you can see there Carolyn left me a bunch of the lower leaves. That's going to be for a project coming up here soon. Okay, here Carolyn's going to cut up one of the leaves for us here to make this salve. She said she only used 1.5 leaves, so it goes a long way folks. Alrighty, Carolyn, she's putting the comfrey that she chopped up in the little crock pot, and this time we're only going to use 1 cup of oil, so that's half that bottle. Be just a little bit less than what we did last time there, about half of what we did last time. And we're going to let this here sit in there for about 2 days, and then we'll drain the oil out just like we did the jewelweed, and then we'll make our salve. Okay, the rest of the comfrey there that Carolyn cut, she's going to dry it. She's seen this on Roots and Refuge. Take pipe cleaners, wrap around it there, gives you little hangers. You can just hang it on a string wherever you want to there to let it dry out. We're hanging ours down in the basement above the little dehumidifier, and it'll dry it. To be honest folks, them leaves look sort of like tobacco leaves. Alrighty folks, Carolyn's getting ready to pour the comfrey in here and drain it out, and we'll be making some comfrey salve. Alrighty, what we'll do is we'll mash this down in there. Ooh, it's still warm. Get out all the oil. Let me grab a spoon. Get all of our goodness out of there. Yeah, we're going to fix this a light over here underneath this one area. Alright. Alrighty, now we'll take it over here and put our beeswax, and we'll add our vitamin E, and we're going to put just a little bit of peppermint oil in it this time. Okay folks, this time we only use 1 cup of oil. Now, putting in a 1/4 cup of beeswax. So we'll just kind of stuck a little bit down inside here. Now we'll mix that up. Alrighty, our beeswax is just about all melted. Now, Comfrey, like I said folks, we are not doctors or in the medical profession. Just something trying to help y'all out, do your own research. But Comfrey Salve, or Comfrey itself, they say is good for bruises and sprains and strains, arthritis, and we all know come winter time here we all have aches and pains. So hopefully this will help out. If it does, we'll let you know. Now, take that off the heat. I'm going to hand the camera over to Carolyn here. I'm going to get out a teaspoon. Now, we waited until we took it off the heat to put the vitamin E in. We're going to go ahead. I'm going to just do 1.5 teaspoons. We used 2 last time. Now, put in a few drops of peppermint oil, 3. Ain't coming out fast enough for me. $12 drops. Now, we'll stir this up. We'll have Carolyn get her a spoon out of the freezer. Alrighty. You can see there. Okay, now let's pour it into our little bowls. Get the spoon out of the way. These little cups with lids, I pick them up from the little local grocery store, but I'm sure they sell them online. I'd like to have some of the little tins, but Shug, I need 1 more cup. But now they're handy. They got the little thing there. Alrighty. Carolyn's going to get us a couple more cups. Probably 1 will do it. Alrighty, folks. So that 1 cup, it made 4 3/4 of those little cups there. They're handy little things. You can give them as gifts, put them up. It's just, here's what, just easy pack storage containers. Of course, made in China. I'm sure they sell them online. Like I said, it's just, we've got a little price less where we live at grocery store. Alrighty folks, I'd like to thank y'all for watching. Hope y'all have a great week. And once again, please, when you're out shopping, if you got the extra money, try to put a little bit of food away. It's looking worse every day. I don't want to be one of these doom and gloom people, but I mean, you can see the handwriting on the wall. There today, we'd stopped out there at the local store and they've been having chicken breast breaded. It's a pretty good sized bag for $5.98. Well, today it was $17.98. Just different things like that there. The prices are going up. Folks, have a great week.
That's all, folks.